Okay, in this video I will tell you how to split the string into two columns. So here I have the full name of all the student and I need to split that into first name and the last name. So how to do it? For do so I will use two functions like here in this full name what is common in the all the name, that is one space between all the name. Before the first name and the last name there is one space. So I use this criteria. So I will use left function because I want first the first name that is left side in the string. So I use left function. So left open in this text. Okay. Then I need to put the numchar. So till what point I need to get the leftmost character. So in order to define that I use search because I use search because I in the space is common is space. I need to get the leftmost character till that space. Okay, so I use the left search function to search the space position so that I can give the numchar for this. So search find text is a space. I will include that space in a double quote, then comma within the text. This is my text. Then close to bracket, then I hit enter. I got the name, the leftmost character. So I will generalize it for the whole. So this is how you can get the first character. So the here I use simple technique that I use two function, that is left and search. Left is to define I want the leftmost character. Then the search is to find out the position. In the left function I need to fill the in which character till what point I need to get that left character. So in order to define the position of this space that is different in different name, so I use search function. It will uniquely find the position of that space for each and every name. So I use search function to find the space in this column, this name, then I hit enter, I got the name. So how to use that, how to get the right name, the last name. So for get last name I use mid function because the leftmost is the first name. So I have the common is space. I use the mid function. Sorry, is equal to mid open bracket. Then I what is the text? So I need to fill the start num. Okay, in order to get the start num, I use that search function again. Okay, search in this what I want to search. I want to search. Sorry, search what I want to search a space. I will include that in a double quote. Then I put comma within the text. This is my text. So then I need to put the last. Then I need to put the start num. Then I need to put the range. So I don't know the range. I don't know the range of all this. So I will use that count function. Sorry, len function to find the length of this string. Okay, then I close, sorry, this string, and I close, double close. Why I get error? So mid function, this is my character. Okay, start num is this. Okay, I need to close it over here. So this is my search. I want to search space in this string. Then I need to put one bracket over here, then length, then close, then hit enter. So I got the leftmost character, that is the last name, and I will generalize it to whole that. So I get got first name and the last name. So this is how you can use the left function and the right mid function to get your data in a required format, that is first and the last name. On the plane and the Jan. Tip number 5, how to convert your data into table. So first I will click here, then I press Ctrl A to select the whole range. Maiya Yashoda.